On today's Try to Finish Something, or as my wife's started to call it, Try to Finish Something Else, I have another Star Wars project to do. And a quick heads up while I'm thinking about it, I have this project, it's a new video today, and I have a brand new video coming out on Friday as well, but the week after that, I am on vacation and I'm going to be traveling. I don't think I'll have a project video. I swear if I smuggle some sort of Star Wars project onto the trip, it's going to be the last trip I ever take with the family. So I don't think I'll have a project video that week, but I'll try and post something. But on today's video, I'm back at that Tatooine wall, the hangar wall. Down below, I have a panel and some piping that needs to be done, and another collaboration. I'm working with a very talented maker who's helping me with that control panel. And I'm gonna see how far I can get on the entire bottom of that exterior wall of a Tatooine hangar. And that's what I'm gonna do on today's Try to Finish Something. Today's project starts with a simple sheet of MDF. Now this board isn't even at my shop. This board is at Kelly Stern's place. Now, Kelly is a super creative guy who builds stuff from scratch using basic tools and equipment like this what-the-foam, rulers, and shape punches just to cut his designs and panels. He's using lids and random plastic greeblies, and he was sending me some progress pictures here and there until, like Christmas Day, the package arrived. Now, I was nervous opening it because I didn't know what to expect or how to hold it or what was inside, and I wanted to make sure that I unwrapped it, right side up. And it's upside down. Of course it is. Look at this thing. Hold on. I need the right music.
Oh yeah, baby. This is panel sexiness. Hold on. Let me push this here button.
Okay, so back to reality. Now, I have photoshopped his panel into my concept sketch to get an idea of how this is going to look and how it's all going to lay out. I need to make a trip to the hardware store to get some plumbing supplies, but first I wanted to frame up this panel. I want to support this down here at the bottom, and yeah, one up here at the top. Okay, I'm back from the hardware store, and look what was waiting for me in the mailbox. My LEDs for the hangar sign. I got a couple different sized PVC pipes and a toilet flange to attach the bigger pipe to the wall, and I want to mount the little one over here to the side. Ooh, and I found this neat little night light that'll get used for, I don't know, something. I found it at Tractor Supply, but I'm getting distracted. I'm going outside to cut a notch out of that toilet flange, and I'll sand that down to fit. Then I will use PVC plumbing glue to attach a screw ring that I bought to thread the smaller 2-inch pipe on. I'm spraying this with a textured paint. I think that texture will pick up my weathering later and look really good. It could also look like crap, but I'm willing to take that gamble. I just want to get this done so that I can see what these look like together, the panel and this. Now, I'm adding some toothpaste for chipping and my yellow accent color onto the flange.
wipe off the flange, and I'll weather it. I'm not going to weather anything else, but I am painting my red stripe along the large pipe and the brown elbow. Okay, inside to add some greeblies. It's hard to see here, but it's another Smuggler's Room resin greebly, and I'm adding some LEDs to the power tube. That's the larger one, and I have these sleeves that clip around the LED and then into the hole to secure them, making the installation really easy. Now, back into the office, and I need to cut a channel for the wiring. See, the pipes and the panel both have cords, and they'll need to run up to the plug above. I'm going to make it so that the outlet becomes live when the switch turns on, so I'll cut a groove in these scrap 2x4s, and it should be good. All right, a quick comparison between the concept and the project. Hey, not half bad. Now to wire up the LEDs to take advantage of that channel that I cut. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna switch back to the other music. Yeah, baby. I've got the panel framed and the fuel and power tubes for my hangar door installed and ready for the next stage of this project. If you are liking the project, please subscribe to the channel and tell a friend. As always, if you didn't, please keep it to yourself, and we'll see you next time as we try to finish something.